Hello guys, how you all doing? I'm good myself. This is our Nasdaq. Remember we had an analysis on this one over the weekend. I think yes, it was over the weekend, and so far you can see it's coming all right. So, but now I just wanted to update. I won't be giving sort of trade ideas this time around, but I'll be showing you how to, because this structure here is very interesting. I think we can have a lesson on that. I'll show you what I mean by that. Just make sure that you like that side and you also subscribe. Ne? So remember now the trend line is broken. We have hit the opposing structure, blah blah blah. And I always tell you to sort of mark the zone above and mark the zone below, which is your obviously above. You've got the resistance there, and then below. Now, if let's say you are trying to take a buy, you want to take a buy. Maybe if you didn't get a chance throughout this movement here, so now you want to take a buy. My question is, where are you going to put a buy? Because if you check here, I think it was on Monday, was it yesterday, when there was a holiday in the US. You can see the price action was the movements there. So you can see there's a lot of market pause there. So now when you're trying to draw your nearest area of support, where you're going to put it so that you can take trades from there. So this is what I want us to focus on today. So the first one is this one here, and it does look nice, but the problem is that we don't have the 2:1 and stuff like that. And if you come back, this is just a mess. And if you try to use this one also, I wouldn't advise you to do that, because imagine if you put it there, it overlaps with this one. And if I use the red one, Leona, still it overlaps with the one at the base. So you can see that it's very confusing. So you will come across situations where you have stuff like this, but at the end of the day, you have to make up your mind so that you can take trades, right? And now that the bearish trend line has been broken, you can say your bullish trend line is there. But now in terms of where to take trades at the moment, I would say, because these ones they overlap a lot, when I come across such situations, normally what I do, I go up and check daily, because remember, if you want to eliminate the noise, you need to summarize these candlesticks into maybe 2 or 3 candlesticks. That means you have to go higher, because remember, you've got 6H4 candlesticks that form just one daily candlestick. So you'll find that all these 6 candlesticks, they are represented by one candlestick on daily, which means you have eliminated the noise. So in such cases, I will advise you to do the same. When the structure is just too many candlesticks and they're not giving you proper areas to draw, I'll say go up, then trade that level. So let's check on daily and see what's happening. Just mark the level there on daily. So we've got this one here, which is we were going up, but then we had like a sort of a bullish pin bar, and we closed above it. We took off like that. So but now this is weird, because remember, usually when you're drawing our areas of support and resistance, we want areas that, I mean, the candlesticks that have like a, you see, this is a very perfect candlestick to draw our zone, because of what it has got some body, and it has got some meat, some flesh. So this one, it's very risky. So that one I wouldn't take. I would rather say it overlaps with this one. So I would go with the main zone, which is the one that initiated the move. That seems to like, because I doubt this is not going to come back, because the market is going to close soon. So we have a breakout now. So this zone here initiated the move that broke the trend line. So when I'm going down to H4, this is what I meant when I said we have to eliminate the noise. Because of what, if you're looking for area to buy on H4, this is just too much noise. The price action there is not nice, but if you check this one, it is nice. So that's why that's a perfect level. But now, because we broke the trend line, we're no longer going down. We wouldn't be taking trades there, but rather you'll be using that to exit your trades. If you had trades, you'll be exiting there, and you can see now the price is reacting from there. So this one, not pure price action, it's not nice. So that's when I say let's try and summarize it by moving one time frame up, so that we have less candlesticks, then we'll be able to read the structure there. That's when we decided to go to daily. And then I'm saying on daily, this is the level that you are interested in. From now going forward, you are waiting there. If you didn't get any trades, if you are holding some trades, you can, I'm sure you have exited there. But if you wanted to leave one trade, you're more than welcome to do that. Leave one running, but make sure that you covered your stop loss because of what, just in case we fail to break that. But if we break it, then you are smiling. If not, you shouldn't beat yourself up. You tried, you closed some of your trade, you didn't lose anything. So for now, this is the level that you are interested in, this one, which means when you're going down to H4, only entertain a level that is inside here. Because remember those ones here, we said there's too much noise. Rather, we wait and take the one that is inside here, because of what will be, it's more like we're taking a daily level. So let's just mark it. I'll mark it like this. I'll show you how you can go about this. I don't want to put the actual level, but rather I can put a horizontal line. Just say anything below this point. Yes, just put it at the body, because remember the zone goes until there. So any zone that looks nice and is below that level, we can execute it. So if we check in this case, we have this one, but I said it's overlapping with this one. So which means if you are executing on H4, your guy is this one. So this is your H4 support, which is inside daily support. I hope it makes sense. So these ones, you can try and ignore them because they are not nice. The price action when you're going up, it was not very smooth. But otherwise, the prediction that we made over the weekend was spot on. And I hope that you guys, even if you didn't catch trades, it's fine. But the most important thing is you learned something. Something in terms of how you assess the market, how you come up with the reasons to back up your whatever that decision that you made. Because I want us to grow more on the main of this channel is to help you be able to come up with your own setup. So I want you to learn more than execute my setups, because if you are just coming here to see what I say you must do and then you go on your chart and execute it, then that's not going to help you. Because even if we lose a trade, you won't know. Even if you lose that trade, you won't know why you executed, where you went wrong and all this stuff. But if you come in with that mentality of saying, I just want to focus on, go step by step with regards to what he's saying when he's analyzing, is coming from this, and then when he moves to the next chart, it does this, and then that's where you're gonna grow. If you focus on learning, then the execution part will come naturally with time, because you'll be gaining the confidence in yourself, and then how you analyze, and then even your setups will be spot on, so that after a couple of months, it doesn't matter, like there's no like a time frame to say for 2 weeks you should be able to do 1, 2, 3, or a month. People are not the same. Just what I can tell, the advice that I can give you is that don't rush it. Don't rush it. It doesn't help in you rushing the learning process and trying to digest 10 concepts all in one day, so that you can start executing them on live account next week, the following week. Then it's not gonna help. It's not gonna help. Give yourself time, so that by the time you're executing your own setups, you know what you are doing. Even if you lose a trade, you know what you were doing. It just didn't go so well. Don't be that trader that when a trade doesn't go in your direction, you shift the blame and say the broker did this. All right, guys. So I just wanted us to discuss that. So I just wanted us to say, when a structure looks like this, what do we do then? So I just hope now you understand that if it looks like this, it's a messy like this, it doesn't have, we want price to move with convincing candlesticks, good people. But the moment is just up, down, up, down. No one is controlling anything here. As much as we're going up, but the best you can see, they were still pushing down, they were still forming this. So they were not completely out. So that's why we're saying this price action is not telling us what is happening exactly. But here you can see the best were just in control. So that's what we want. So the day when you see this and it's happening for over a lot of candlesticks, then you can try and summarize that. So which means jump on one time frame higher, and then you'll be able to I summarize this and then just pick a level that is nicer, and so that when you're coming back here, you know I only focus on the level that falls within that higher time frame zone. Then that's the one that I'm gonna entertain. All right, that's it, guys. So I think 2 videos today, then we should be done. I won't be making another one. All right, I'll see you guys tomorrow if I decide to bring another concept. But like I always mention in the end of my videos, I would say that you must also bring those questions. Remember sometimes when I make videos, I'll be pinning a comment so that I answer that question. So you must also do the same. So if there's a concept that I mentioned in one of my videos and then you want more clarity on, you can just ask, so that I get a video trying to clarify that, it will be specific to your comment. Then I know that it's directed at you and many other people that maybe they also didn't understand when I mentioned it at first. So you must bring those questions. I'll see you guys tomorrow when I release another video. All right, sharp sharp.